Well, happy Saturday to you, YouTube. How's it going? My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader, and I trade on the foreign exchange as well, on the Forex. And here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. You've landed on the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. Hey, we're going to look at Bitcoin today, see what is going on. I haven't made a video in a couple days, guys. Nothing going on. It's just a slow, methodical move to the downside. We've got a little bit of a pump now. I want to see what that is in light of current price action. And so we're going to jump in and look at that and see what we can see. Okay. Don't forget, none of this is financial advice, but we'll try to give you an update on the wave action now. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's jump in here. My thought, and I share with my group today, was that we're in a fourth wave move. Okay. It's taken forever, and that well, let me show you the fourth wave. Let me take a little time in the macro here today so you can get a bigger picture here. I'm going to remove all my drawings. There we go, and just kind of show you what I think is happening. But anybody's guess, right? So one, two. Okay, now here's the trick. Here's the trick. Where's the fourth? Where's the end of the third wave? Where's the fourth wave? Um, it's a tough one here. It is really a tough one. I'm thinking the top of the three is right here, right there. We're currently making four, and then we're going to go up for five in a little bit. That's what I'm thinking. Now, not a big fan of that shape, that wave shape. Not a huge fan at all. So I hold that idea tentative in my mind. Um, so understand that. Let's see, where would the fourth wave come? Generally, we measure the fourth wave like so. Expect it to come down to between the 382 and the 50%. Expect it to come down in three-wave fashion. Let's talk about how we expect it to come down. Well, so far what we've got here, I was talking the other day about a potential three-wave and then a flat three-wave, and then I was looking for another three-wave move, and that still could happen. Okay, but in light of the price action that we've been getting here, it seems more likely that we should delineate it like so. Let me go to the 6 hour, maybe the 4 hour, gives you a little bit more detail. Yeah, there we go. So I would delineate the wave structure like this. Three waves. Can't you see it? Get this out of the way. There you go. There's a three-wave move right there. Actually, want to include this right there as a three-wave move. I don't like it. I don't like that wave structure right there. It's kind of crap. Okay, because it looks to me like a flat right there. Still might be. It still might be. Um, we'll talk about it in just a second. But if we say that this is the move that ends right here, then what we've got here is a move up, a move down, and then we expect a move up like that. And that would give us a second three-wave move in this, and then we expect a three-wave move down here to get us somewhere between the 382 and the 50%, and that would be our three-wave correction, fourth wave in this grand scheme of things, which makes a lot of sense because price action has been up and down. It's been very three-wave-ish everywhere, so that makes a lot of sense. I like that count from an Elliott wave perspective. So that's what I want to see, okay? And so what we'd expect here is another move to the upside. Okay, it may not be fast, but it could be. And then we'd expect a three-wave move from the downside to the downside from there. So that is a very, very high likelihood, considering this being a fourth wave. What else could it be? Well, the other option here is that we still have there we go. Still have a three-wave move working. It ended. Let's try again. It ended here, right here at the bottom. This was a flat. I was expecting it to go up higher. It did not. But there's a flat right there. So we got a three wave, and now this is the one. We're going to get two and then three like that. And it's going to be relatively quick like that. That's a possibility. Don't like that as much based upon this wave structure. This would have to be a leading diagonal in that case. And I mean, kinda you see it there, but I don't know. Wave action really is really hard right now. And wave structure is it's hiding itself a little bit. But you might say this is a leading diagonal. I was thinking it was a descending triangle earlier, but in light of the last moves here today, this could be it. One, two, 5 wave move, just like that, something like that. And then we would expect only then a 3 wave move not to break this high, okay? And then we would get another 5 wave move down. And that would be a 3, 3, and a 3 because we got a 1, 2, 3 like that. So that's what we would expect if that's the structure. Okay, so I don't know. I don't. So are we going to get the move up here to 9,800 and then get a 3 wave move down? Possibility. Okay, so that would be like this, like that, and then like that. Or do we just get a move up here, 3 wave move, doesn't break the high, and then we get a 5 wave move down from there, and that's still a boom, 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 like that. Don't know, can't tell you, but those are the two options I see on the table right now as we speak. Could it go up from here? Yeah, it could go up from here. If it's going to go up from here, we'd have to say that this is a 5, a 3. No, it would have to be a 3, 3, 5. See, this is the hard part right here. This would have to be some kind of a 3 wave. This would have to be a 3 wave, and this would have to be a 5 wave. It would be a running flat, 3, 3, 5. And then we have a 1, 2 to the upside, and now we're getting a 1, 2 again. So I don't like that at all, to be honest with you. I don't like that much as structure, but it's a possibility. I'm just here to tell you that this zone right now, Elliott wave, gives us some ideas, but it's not super helpful until we get the next move. Okay. In other words, sometimes in Elliott wave you can't predict where it's going, particularly in the 4th wave, because the 4th wave tends to be the hardest wave to trade. A lot of choppiness, a lot of shenanigans, and generally also what happens is you get the 4th wave move of the 3rd wave, which is a large wave, and then you get the 4th wave move of the entire wave, which is a comparative wave to the 4th of the 3rd. And so we might have here's what I'm saying. We might have a 4 wave right in there. That's a 4th wave of the 3rd, and then it's hard to tell, guys. It really is. I mean, this could be the 4th of the 3rd. Then you got the 5th wave right there of the 3rd, and then now we're getting the 4th wave of the major structure. It's coming down here, retest this low, and then we go up for the 5th wave of the whole wave. So pretty tough to tell. Pretty tough to know here. I can't be certain about any of that. But right now, my bias is to the upside, but we got downside to go. Now, so I'm thinking we come up here and maybe retest $9,800 as a possibility. I can't say that we are or aren't. Okay, but here's the deal. Here's what I'll be doing. I'll be trading if we do get something like that. I don't think I'll try to trade it to the upside here. I could. I might. We'll see. I don't think so, though. I'm short biased right now. But I might wait for it to come up here to the $9,800 region, $10,000 region. If it gets up here to the 9,800 or the 10,000, the 1-to-1 extension or the 127 extension, then I might consider taking a short from there. Okay, that'd be a better position. I'm currently short now, but that would be a better position than I'm currently in, and that might be a better way to manage the trade, manage the short. And then I'd look for the short down here to the $8,400 region in that ballpark. Okay. All right. Well, you guys, there you go. Some things to think about. I hope that helps you. But right now it's just this price action is miserable, miserable, miserable. There's lots of action on the foreign exchange. If you're not trading the forex yet, guys, I've tripled my account in the last 2 weeks. On the foreign exchange, while I've made nothing on Bitcoin. I don't scout Bitcoin or trade small on Bitcoin, so I've really not made a whole lot of money trading Bitcoin just because of the nature of the market that we've been in. I've gone to other markets where we can make more money. The foreign exchange is my market of preference, so if you're not part of that, you might come join the Patreon group. I'll teach you how to trade in the forex. That's part of what we're doing. Lots of people trying it out, going from crypto into forex from the Patreon group, and they are loving it. They're loving that market so much better than this boring Bitcoin market. So if you're frustrated with the Bitcoin market, I get it. Come join the Patreon group, and we'll get you. We'll do some teaching on the forex, and you're gonna love that market as well. All right, you guys have a great day. Hope you enjoy your Happy Father's Day to you guys, those of you who are fathers, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.